Hi everyone, today is day 5 of my 30 strokes challenge and I'm painting a bell pepper. I thought that it would be a nice and easy painting to do because it has very distinct shapes and it actually only took me a little over 15 minutes to paint this one. So I was back on a white paper with white gesso and it was so enjoyable just slathering those juicy colors on the paper. I actually have some pretty thick lines on it and it's going to take a while to dry. Talking about drawing, the problem with doing this kind of challenge, doing 30 paintings on sketchbooks in oil paints, is that oil paints take a while to dry. So I can't really turn the page and paint on the other side. So I'm going to be using quite a few sketchbooks. But I think at some point I'll have painted so many double pages that if they don't dry on time, I might have to change mediums. And I'm probably gonna, at some point, continue this challenge with gouache until the paintings dry fully. So since this sketchbook is pretty big, I decided to do 2 paintings per page. So we'll see how that works out. Also, I think I'm gonna need to start using smaller brushes because that pepper stem looks pretty big. It kind of looks like a submarine periscope. So anyway, I like the colors. I like how it turned out, but that stem, geez. Thank you all for stopping by again today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you tomorrow with day 6 of my challenge. Bye bye.